In today's horror film, we're doing something a little bit different on the stream that we are doing. Normally, we do appliances and stuff and then say, is there a horror film? We've done fridge, we've done the oven, we've done blah, 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 blah. I've done quite a lot of appliances that have come up. We've had laundry day. Basil on the stream has just asked me to type in microwave, right? There is one microwave horror short. It's called Ding, You're Dead. And you guessed it, it's award winning. Let's check it out. Basil, if this is rubbish, I am blaming you. And then I'm going to condemn you. Okay, Ding, You're Dead. I'm not liking the start of this. He's humming Star Wars with... Hang on. Thanks again for watching the house. Oh, it's one of them horror shorts where they watch the house. No smoking. Take out your trash. Wash dishes. Do not overfeed the dog. 2 scoops max. Right. Slam ding. Uh-oh. Slam ding meal. That's it. It's cooking with microwave.
Are literally eating their owners like done steak dinners for one.
How are we supposed to know what was going on? Could have been those things for all we knew.
That girl was screaming.
He's a pig, him, isn't he?
Like those things don't make any noise.
Oh, it's the Night of the Living Dead. Isn't it? Is it? On the telly. It's not even cooked it. Microwave's bust. He's doing a lot of grunting, isn't he?
It is possible in this confused situation. It is happening, and it would appear that no one is safe from this wave of mass murder.
Oh, don't forget his Night of the Living Dead. Did it cook it with no plug-in? What's going on? The dog's got bloody feet. Ooh. Classic door slamming. It's an interesting angle, isn't it? What? It's far too many candles for one person, that. It is a Resident Evil angle, Chris, you're right. What? I mean, What? Oh. This is epic. Hey up, the classic going for the poker.
Nana? Doggy?
He's overfed the dog that much it's the size of a human. Spider-Man's got him. Oh, Venom. What? I eat you. I have no words. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You're dead. Killer Microwave Horror Shorts. Fantastic. Spectacularly bad. They're the best ones. They are the best ones. There's still a bit of time at the end. Is it credits? It's just credits. There's nothing else. I mean... What? No, I mean, I eat you. Right. What did you guys think of this reaction? Let me know in the comments. More importantly, what did you think of this horror shorts? If you want to check out any more, there's a playlist right up there. See you on the next video.